3.
Go ahead.
I still have a crap ton of traffic southbound. I don't know if there were people that were sitting in the middle there and they're finally coming this way or what.
Yeah, apparently when I pulled up and turned my lights on to keep traffic off of me, they thought it was a good idea. They needed to leave.
Okay, well I'm fixing to move some people.
Okay, this thing's looking great. What's this right here?